Good morning. I thought I'd take a quick walk around my yard so you could see a brief look of what food independence can look like on a small scale. We're not 100% food independent, but we have started, and it's just a process. It's not that hard. I just have a standard backyard, maybe a little bigger than most, but with a deck this size, we grew quite a bit of food just on the deck in the past. I have lettuce growing right here. As you can see, beautiful. We'll be picking from that today. And then you can see I let some of it go to seed. When the seed is ready, I either take the seed heads in the house and dry them, or I sprinkle them right back into a flower pot so that they can grow more lettuce, so that I have constant supply of lettuce growing. There's some tomatoes growing on the porch. Those are going to be good. Some different types of lettuce that have been growing. See some growing, some at seed. Here's some extra pepper plants that I didn't fit into the garden. I got some kale that went to seed. Some arugula. These are just flower seeds that someone gave me. They're doing great, actually. So I started those from free seeds from a seed swap. See, there's more of them over there. Oh, they're just beautiful. Yeah, one little package of seed gave me a ton. Here's some more tomatoes growing. All of this has been started from seed. This is feverfew a friend gave me. Here's some more lettuce seed. And it's important if you're going to have your own lettuce that you started at all different stages. So every 2 weeks I seed it. Here's some more pepper plants. Got some little mini peppers growing in there, full-size peppers. These are all started from seed I collected last year. Here's a little ground cherry plant. I don't know if you've ever grown ground cherry. They're super cool. They look like little Chinese lanterns. And then I have some cosmos seed I need to harvest in here when the dew dries. So each one of these has got probably 20 or 30 seeds in it to grow 20 or 30 cosmos plants, which are these cute little guys. Alright, I have some flowers growing in here with some tarragon and strawberries. There's chamomile. I got some black-eyed Susans. Some more tarragon and thyme growing in there. These are the flowers I was telling you about that I started from seed. More tomatoes growing out there. And you can see, when you look out, I have 25 chickens in the backyard. Chickens are a great source of protein. We're getting about 15 eggs a day now. I'll zoom in on them a little bit. They're very happy out in the yard. We got them on rotational pasture, so we're always moving them around to clean pasture. So they've been in pretty much every part of this yard. You can see this is a crabapple tree above them. They just happily eat the crab apples that fall on the ground. That's free food, free organic food for them. Makes them very happy. This is our permaculture garden. No weeding, no tilling, no watering, no fertilizing. It's got, this year it has a bunch of cherry tomatoes in it. Sun Gold, Sweet 100s, a bunch of volunteers that came up, which was great. I didn't even plant them. Swiss chard, potatoes. I got marigolds in all four corners that I seeded. 3 different types of pole beans, bush beans, more lettuce growing out there. I'm doing the Three Sisters garden in the middle, which is corn, peas, and squash. There's watermelon and peppers growing on the other side of the garden. So, I would say we're definitely not completely food independent, but this is what the beginning stages look like. And the biggest thing is, you know, whatever you grow, if you save the seeds from it, then it's that much easier. You have that food for life. So if I save the pepper seeds from these peppers growing in my garden this year, I never have to buy peppers again if I were to plant enough of them every year to sustain us all the way through. So that's our goal, is to save enough seeds, grow enough food, so that we can minimize our shopping at the store and our dependence on, you know, grocery stores and so forth. We do try really hard to buy everything we can from local farmers, especially if it's organic. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.